Welcome to this weekend vlog. I'm not sure what this vlog is going to be, but I'm gonna take you with me. Today's Saturday. I am rushing out to meet my friend in central London, and I thought I would take you along with me. My friend is not gonna be on camera, so I'm not gonna show her. I'll just show you like b-rolls of what we do and where we go and things like that. And then I'll also spend the day with you on Sunday. I am rushing out, I am late, so we'll have a catch up when I get back. Really cool. It's really cool here. Is there nothing upstairs? Oh, but it's still really nice. This is what we've found. It's been very interesting. We're not sure what some of the things are. I mean, can somebody tell me what this is? Looks interesting though. Atika? Yeah. Have you seen this? This one here? Is that mine? I don't know. This is the hand.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness.
You guys, this is such a beautiful picture. Look at it. Absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. Guys, if you ever come to London, come to the boat, come take the boat. The view is beautiful here, especially night. Atika convinced me, I like daylight, but she loves night. So here we are, but it looks gorgeous. This is madness. Why am I doing it to myself?
And you're recording.
Somebody help me. Good morning, guys. How are we? Hope you are having a lovely Sunday this morning. Whatever you're doing, take some time out for yourself and do a bit of self-care and just have a relaxing Sunday. So I am dressed up again because I am heading out again. Yesterday was so much fun. It was so much fun to see my friend. We did a lot of things. We went to this cute little cafe, which you would have seen in the previous clips. Then we went to Selfridges because she had to do some shopping, and I bought like an eye cream, which I'm going to test out and see if it works, because I've been looking for like an eye cream and I just haven't found one that I like. So yesterday I bought one and hopefully it works perfectly. Then we took a boat to North Greenwich. Then we took the cable cars and I was like screaming. I was like, I didn't even film the cable cars because I was scared. The first time I went on them, I was with my nieces and nephews. And I think I had to be strong for them, so it wasn't scary for me. But the second time taking it, it was a bit scary. Then we ended up in a Thai restaurant, which was so delicious. So it was just a really good day yesterday. And the reason why I'm standing here vlogging is because I want to show you this wall. Okay, this white wall, this is my wall. I used to have a sofa on this wall, and then I moved my sofa over there because I wanted to buy a bookcase for this wall, and I haven't done that. And it's time that I go to IKEA and just like browse some bookcases and just see what I like, because it's getting out of hand in this flat. Okay, my books are everywhere. You see that right there? I need to sort that place out as well. It's a mess. I've got books, like I've got uni books and I've got like coursework uni books. They need to go somewhere. They need to like come away from there and go somewhere else. Like my coffee table, that's I'm meant to decorate and I am meant to make look cute. It's just now full of books. I'm gonna show you in a bit. I've got like a cupboard in my corridor that's just full of books now. So I have an addiction to books, okay? It's an addiction that I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy to have. I'm not I'm not looking for help for it. I've decided to embrace it and just accept it, and I love it. When I get paid, I'm like, I should treat myself to something. What should I treat myself to? Books. So I need a bookcase for those books to go. So I'm gonna go to IKEA. I'm meeting my friend there because she needs some stuff as well. And just see. But the problem is, I don't like putting things together. I don't like putting things together. So even if I get a bookcase, okay, you know what? We'll think about it when I get to that point. Right now, I'm just gonna go to IKEA and see what I can find. But first, let me show you the mess that is my books, okay? Right, so this is where we are at. Please don't judge me, okay? Just don't judge this mess. I'm sorting it out. So this is meant to be like a cute little coffee table, and I'm meant to like decorate it, make it look nice, but instead I have turned this into like a bookcase or something. You see this mess right here? I don't usually show this mess, you know? I don't show it in my videos, but here we are. So yeah, and also this decoration is for autumn. This is decoration for autumn. So on my journey today to IKEA, I am going to look up some new decoration because this is for autumn and I just haven't had time. I just haven't had time to switch it out. So this is where we are at. But yeah, this is the mess I'm talking about. Okay.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of
The thing about coming to IKEA is that you end up wanting to buy everything, but obviously you cannot. So
What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that.
how cute is this showroom? I would love something like this. So cute. So I'm thinking of something like this, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna continue looking around, but something like this looks nice.